watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to a new year. I'm kind of excited. Things are changing on the show. We've gone carnivore crazy. Okay? I've been eating 100% carnivore. I'll let you know how it's going on social media, on YouTube, all over the place. I'll post my numbers. But right now, this is the first carnivore recipe. Carnivore. Did I just say carnivore? I can speak better than that. Alright guys, start off with finely chopped up chicken breast. This is approximately 2 breasts for 1 pizza. We're going to make the crust with this. Okay. Take some Parmesan cheese. Pop that in there. Recipes down below. Drop 2 eggs in. Okay. Then take your fork and mix it all up. Lay it out on parchment paper or silicone. Shape your crust with those 3 ingredients. You're going to cook this all together. Get it all flat. Take your time. This is the base of it all. Okay. Alright, now we're going to put this in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it. When it looks like it's firm, you can pull it out. Your oven may be hotter than mine. While the crust is baking, we're going to start making our sauce. A little butter, a little bit of cream. Heat those up together. Make sure if you're doing seasoning, some people are, and you got a seasoning with no sugar and no carbs. Here's the cream and butter that we made. There we go. Just gonna give it a quick little spread around so that the whole pizza kind of drinks a little bit. That's cool. Alright, take a little bit of Italian sausage. We brown that up. Take some pepperoni. I can't see anybody turning this away. Whether you're doing carnivore or not, just like your favorite meat pizza. Do a little salami now. Pile it on. The last piece is top of cheese again. Because you only put a little bit of cheese on the bottom, you're going to put a lot more on top. Now pop this back in the oven for about 15 more minutes. Then we'll check it out. Okay guys, there it is in all its glory. Looks beautiful. All we gotta do is give this a try. My first ever carnivore pizza. Okay guys, hey, did you know that this is an emoji? You can do this as an emoji. I don't know why I told you. Just thought it was exciting. Abbondanza. Alright, let's give it a try. Here we go. Crust feels firm. Feels cooked. The sauce is good. Tastes like a pizza. I mean, I wouldn't say exactly like a pizza, but this is going to work for me. It's definitely a home run. You guys, whether you're on the carnivore diet or not, give us a try. That's a healthy crust. I learned this from my son. He was the first one to tell me about it. Where you chop up chicken and egg and cheese and all that. So anyway, I love you guys. Keep watching me. Keep watching the changes. I expect them to happen. All my numbers are posted my sugar numbers, my blood pressure, and my weight. Alright? I'm an open book. I'll see you in the next video. Love you.